Constant Spring, Coach Gregory Walters.
All right, Mr. Walters. How has the season been so far for you and Constant Spring?
Well, it's been a good season so far for us, and the guys have been doing good.
You had a superstar in the team, and you have gotten a lot of followers so far. I assume that the Constant Spring fan base would have grown over the time period. What is the team morale like going into this game?
Well, the team morale is very good at this moment. So the guys are pulling together, working hard, and there's a lot of spirit in the camp right now.
What is your mental capacity, or how are you focusing on this game?
Well, we're focusing on this game based on as though it comes, because we have 2 legs. So we have to focus on the first leg. Is a very important leg. Once we can get going on the first leg, that's where we can take the advantage going forward.
And what much do you know about your opponent? Have you seen how they play? Have you strategized a plan? You know where you're going to expose their weaknesses. What much do you know about your opponent?
Well, we have played against them, and we have seen their weakness, and we have seen their strength. So we have worked a lot, and we know where to stop them. We know where to stop them, all right?
In regards to fitness-wise, what's the fitness of the team? Are there any injuries? Anything that maybe you don't want to give away that, but give us a little update on it.
Well, our team have been fit from the beginning, because the fitness trainer has done well, and I think our team, based on what I've seen, I think we have the fittest team in the competition so far.
Interesting. That's quite good. That's quite good. I mean, it's non-stop running for 90 minutes. Strictly running. So, for you, what is the feeling like for you going to a game like a semi-finals of this nature? How do you feel internally? Put aside the team. How do you feel internally?
Well, I'm comfortable because I've been in this situation before, so it's nothing strange. But as football is unpredictable, so we have to be serious about it.
All right, Coach. Congratulations again and reaching semi-finals. Hope you the best, and God bless you.
All right, thanks.